Welcome to the Englishman RV Channel. I created this channel for RVers to try and help beginners and others with my experiences, both good and full disclosure. I am not sponsored in any way by the manufacturers of products that I cover. In this video we will be reviewing the Lippert Screen Defender. The product is relatively easy to install and requires no tools. However, you do need to follow the measurement instructions on the website when purchasing the item. The product comes with several different size fillers for the bottom of the door. If your pet is small, this may not be an issue. However, we needed to fill the screen mesh panel, so I had to use two of the provided filler panels. The only issue I encountered was that when I installed the product, when we went out on our next RV trip, the bottom plastic filler piece fell out of the door grooves. The solution was simple. I took one of the spare plastic filler pieces and cut two strips about 3 inches by 1/2 inch. Then, using super glue, fastened the strips to the bottom sides of the filler piece, leaving about 1/2 to 3/4 inch protruding on each side. This then slotted into the door grooves and has worked flawlessly since. My pros and cons for this product are as follows. The pros for this product are as follows. This is reasonably priced, around about $80 on Amazon. Item is well constructed. Item worked well except for the issue with the filler piece. The cons for this product are as follows. I would have liked it if Lippert had provided some clips to retain the bottom filler. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, please feel free to go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Please go ahead and subscribe to get notified of any new videos that I release.